Hello, I want to show you how to repair your Grand Cherokee 2014 back deflector clips. Is the one right here. For any reason I just hit it with the garage door and it came down, so I broke those clips, those pins here. So you can see the original clip is like this. So I gonna give you an I was trying to find for those clips, trying to find those clips everywhere in the market, but couldn't find it unless I had to buy the whole piece. It's about $110. So I got these little clips here that I found in the auto parts. Is this part here, the trim fastener. That's the part number. I got exactly 3 pieces, the one that I broke, and I'm gonna show you how we gonna fix it. First, you have to remove the old part, old piece here. This is gonna be the complete clip, and we're gonna insert new fastener here this way, and we have the other part of the clip. So this part is the one flat to the deflector. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Yes. Let me see. It's kind of difficult, but it's gonna be exactly like this way. The screw is gonna be in the top. I'm gonna stop the video and put it back the other clip and show you the rest. First, you insert the clip here, and second, just insert the other part over here. Then I'm gonna insert the metal piece on top, screw a little bit, and then I'm gonna install in the hood. Okay, you can see. It's the original. Sorry. This is the other one. Quedar así. Solo va a quedar viéndose estos 3 negritos y aquí, y ya quedaría al final. Bueno, espero disfruten.